Hey guys, we're back. And we're gonna attempt to make the Chick-fil-A sandwich. I DoorDash this, by the way, because have you ever seen the line to Chick-fil-A on a weekend? It's preposterous. So let's take a gander at this beauty. We've got a bun, no sauce, very important. What looks to be a chicken breast, kind of soggy, whatever. No one's mad at this because it's fast food. Here we got 2 soggy pickles. I need more pickles for sure. And then the other bun. Put this down. We're gonna be very delicate with this because I'm gonna eat this later. Okay. All right. The classic Chick-fil-A. Polynesian? Nah, it's not good. Easy. Looks like I got it all done right here. We're gonna go over the Chick-fil-A sauce first. Actually, no, the hell we're not. We gotta marinate chicken first. So, right here, we got 4 chicken breast fillets, which is just 2 whole chicken breasts that I cut like this. Look at this. It was like this. You cut it like that, easy. All right, it becomes thinner. You don't want to deep fry or fry a whole chicken breast. It will become the driest piece of crap you've ever had. All right, real quick, I forgot to put this in the video yesterday, but right after you're done cutting your chicken breasts in half, you're gonna wanna put them in a bag like so, or underneath foil or plastic wrap, okay? And then take a mallet if you got one, or anything heavy, a brick, it doesn't matter, and just get out of here. And hit it a few times. You don't wanna pulverize it, but just enough to tenderize it. It's very important. Sometimes the chicken breast can be way too tough if you don't do this. So definitely do this. Then take it, throw your marinade, pickle juice, milk, all that into it, and you're good to go. Back to the original video. What the recipe called for was 1 cup of pickle juice, 1 whole cup of pickle juice. We're using Colossin because I heard that one was the best. All right. Sick, now my pickles are gonna dry out, whatever. And then we're gonna do a 1/2 cup of milk. And that's gonna be our brine marinade. That's going to sit there for, I'd say, an hour. They say 30 minutes, let it sit for an hour. So the longer it sits in there, the more tender it's going to be. That's it, milk and pickle juice. This, you can put it in the fridge. I'm gonna put it off screen. All right, now, for the Chick-fil-A sauce. All of the ingredients and the measurements will be in the description down below. So I'm just gonna go over what these things are, not necessarily the measurements because I don't remember them when I put them in the bowl. So, description. Mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, hickory barbecue sauce, yellow mustard, we got some honey, paprika, garlic powder. An old whisk, and we're gonna try it out. That was pretty easy. So that's gonna go over here. We're gonna get the actual Chick-fil-A sauce. We're gonna do a 1-to-1 comparison. Let's see. All right, regular. Okay. Now we're gonna go other pinky. Needs more barbecue sauce. See, this is why we taste test things, my guy. So I fixed the ratios because the recipe, it was good, but it was like missing a sweetness to it. So we added a little bit more barbecue sauce, Sweet Baby Ray's hickory flavor. That's what the recipe called for. I added a little bit more. I'll make the adjustments in the description down below on the measurements. And then, however you say that, Dijon mustard, add a little bit more of that. And it tastes it's hard to tell the difference now. So you tell me in the comments when you make this if it was good or not. That's it. All right. Now that our sauce is made, our chicken is marinating. We're just gonna have to wait an hour. That's what it comes down to. All right, so we're back. It's been 1 hour, and if you want to take a look at what our chicken looks like now. It looks exactly the same as it did when we put it in there. It's not gonna change, but it's been an hour, I promise. So now we have to make the dry dredge and the wet dredge. But first, since this thing is heating up, I got a cast iron skillet on a hot plate, but this is the magic. Peanut oil, all right? This is what they use there. I know because that's what it said on their website, is that they use peanut oil. So we're gonna use some peanut oil. I'm gonna throw that in there, and I'm gonna put it till about like this much, you know? Just to cover half the chicken when you put it in there. And we're gonna let that heat up. It's gotta get to 350 degrees. Don't go over that, it's gonna burn it. Wet ingredients. We're gonna need, give me this crap, 1 cup of milk. All right. Bang, easy. Get it out of here. Now, 1 egg. Little tip, cracking eggs. Crack it on the surface here, don't crack it on here. This will get chips, this won't. Look at that, easy. Fork, get that going. That's good enough, okay. All right, I'm gonna take myself a grate or anything you could put chicken on. This is your flour mixture. This is your breading. All right, let's go over the ingredients for the breading now. All right, this is where the magic happens. We've got flour, chili powder, kosher salt, black pepper, paprika, and here's the magical thing that who knows if it's gonna work or not, 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar. I feel like, I looked at like 3 recipes and they all included powdered sugar, so that might be the magical ingredient in this recipe. But that's all you need, okay? We're gonna whisk all that stuff together, okay? Let's go. Now, what you're gonna do is you're gonna do a double, you're gonna double dip, okay? You're gonna go flour, egg, flour. I think that's what we're gonna do. That's how it normally is. I'm gonna go ahead and take your marinated chicken. I'm gonna dip it in our flour, all right? See, how does wet hand, dry hand work if everything's a mess? Dredge it. Dredge it in there, all right? Then we're gonna go ahead and throw it in our egg mixture. It's supposed to look like that. Set it down, let it dry. All right, I'm assuming the oil is ready because it seems very hot right now. So what we're gonna do, take your sick chicken cutlet, put it away from you, brother. Don't splash it towards you. Oil sucks when it burns. All right, look at that. It's gorgeous. I think we can fit 2 of these on here. Oh, hey now. Oh yeah, we're good. These are gonna take about 3 to 4 minutes on each side, and then take them out, put them on another wire rack to chill, all right? All right, so I didn't like the way the cast iron one came out. I don't know what it was. It's just making it look weird. I don't know. So I'm fixing it. We're gonna go deep. We're gonna go deep fry on it. So I got a pot, same peanut oil, just a lot more of it. And I'm gonna see how it works with deep frying it on a higher heat than what I could get with this hot plate. And we're gonna find out. We're gonna see if it comes out better. I don't know. Alright, so what we got here, and I'm going to show you guys, alright? These were the pan-fried ones in the cast iron. Not bad, but I don't like how inconsistent it is. And these are the ones that I deep fried, which look a lot more consistent, and the breading actually cooked onto it evenly, and I like it. I don't know which one I like better. We're going to try them both, though, but here we go. We're going to actually compare to a Chick-fil-A piece of chicken. All right. What do we got? What do we got? Super light compared to this. Maybe that was the temperature difference with this. My bad. Let's see. How does it look with this? Are they related? I don't know. Looks similar though. Looks similar. Put this beautiful, beautiful thing back. So now we're gonna go ahead and make sandwiches out of them, pretty much. We got 2 regular buns. Hillshire Farms. I mean, Pepperidge Farms. What's Hillshire Farms? Anyway, yeah, I'm not making buns. That's foolish. Some people, They're like, oh, look at the buns that I made. No. Are you going to make buns? Because I'm not. I'm just going to buy them. You got to lay the pickles down. I'm going to lay a solid 5 pickles on the bottom of this sandwich here. Take the bread. Oh. Right back on here. And now, for our wonderful sauce that we made earlier. I know this is not what Chick-fil-A does. I know. But this is what I'm doing because this is what you do when you get your sandwich. Alright. I'm just going to throw this right on top. Just like this. Alright, we did it. Here it is. Chick-fil-A sandwiches at home. Look at that. This is your original. This is the original Chick-fil-A. These are the ones at home. Obviously, the chicken breast is bigger than that one due to hormones. But it doesn't matter because more chicken is more chicken. So we're going to taste test this. I got to taste test the OG just to be sure. Even cold and somewhat dry. Still good. Chick-fil-A is delicious. Let's try the ones we just made with our homemade Chick-fil-A sauce on it. All right. Okay. That's a banging sauce. That's almost spot on with the original Chick-fil-A sauce. Chicken sandwich, it's got that pickle. It's got that flavor, but it unfortunately isn't exactly the same as this, but did you really expect it to be? I feel like it's a secret recipe. But it's damn close. And with pickles and the sauce, the Chick-fil-A sauce on it, no one will be mad at this. Not at all. It's completely fine. This is delicious. Nothing wrong. It's about as close as you're probably going to get to a Chick-fil-A recipe. Do this. Make this at home. Do it. Tell me how it is. Tell me if you like it. I guarantee you're going to like the sauce because the sauce is banging. The chicken is pretty good too. I just wish I had a deep fryer. That's the only thing. But that's I just wanted the color to be like the same, and it's not. That's the only problem. Flavor's great. But anyway, thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Like, comment, subscribe. Don't worry, the recipe's going to be down in the description below. Appreciate you. See you in the next video. Goodbye.